Hey friends, welcome back to another brand new lesson. Жаңы сабаққа қош келдіңер. Бүгінгі сабағымыздың темасы
To clean the windows. To sweep the floor. To scrub the floor. To mop the floor. To vacuum the carpet. To dust.
To take out the trash.
To take out the rubbish.
To clean up.
To tidy.
To go to the store.
To go to the shops. To clean the bathroom. To set the table. To clear the table. To do the dishes. To dry the dishes. To load the dishwasher. To unload the dishwasher. To do the laundry. To hang clothes. To do the ironing. To fold clothes. To make the bed. To change the sheets. To water the plants. To wash the car. To feed the pets.
Washing machine. Tumble dryer. Laundry basket. Laundry detergent. Clothesline.
Washing line.
Drying clip.
Peg.
Iron. Ironing board. Bucket. Bucket. Mop. Mop. Dishwashing liquid.
Washing up liquid.
Scouring pad. Sponge. Cloth. Cloth. Duster. Duster. Polish. Polish. Cleaning fluid. Cleaning fluid. Bleach. Bleach. Vacuum cleaner. Dustpan. Dustpan. Brush. Brush. Broom. Broom. Recycling bin. Garbage bag.
Bin liner.
Rubber gloves.